This week I added a quest system. First I got the bare bones down. I had already developed a dialogue system, but I wanted to add a quest acceptance feature. I set up my quests using scriptable objects to create the quest data, then I just added a very simple UI to show the quest status. Next I added a quest turn-in feature where you have to speak to the quest giver to fully complete it. I had a problem though. Quests could be accepted and completed an unlimited number of times, and I wanted to avoid duplicating quests. So I reworked my quest manager script to detect quest duplication. Next I threw an absolute rager because I couldn't get the quest marker sprite to appear. So after stepping through the code and losing my mind for ages, I realised I had messed up the sprite sorting layer. So now it works, brilliant, but it looks like shit. So I added a really simple sprite of an exclamation mark. To finish it off, I added a wee animation to the marker and I made a quest turn-in marker. And here's the final result. So just remember, if you enjoyed this, please don't like the video and don't subscribe if you want more. Cheers!